Hello. Today we're going to learn how to upload a dataset to ODC-SCI or ODC-TBI. So first thing we need to do is to go to the website, and we'll be using ODC-SCI.org. And we need to log in. And there's a login at the top right or this bottom button here. Click login, put in your email address, which is your username, your password, and log in. And this will take you to your personal dashboard. If you belong to more than one lab, you can choose the lab here. I'll choose the CHU lab. And here's a display for the lab. I'm a manager of my own lab, so it says Manage Lab. And so to upload a new data set, we find it on the left navigation here. And we click. And so this is the Upload New Dataset page. And as you'll see on this right, you'll see a set of status markers that tell you all the different steps that it takes to upload a dataset. And here we can see that we have a tutorial that outlines the process, and I will be walking us through this process. Please come here and see more details. I will be walking through the process, but this will step by step show you some things that are some caveats that you need to watch out for. But I will not go through all those, as you can read these separately later. And so the first thing we need to do is verify that we're in the correct lab. So once again, it shows you the name of your lab here. If you're not in the right lab, you can mouse over here, so switch labs, and then choose the lab you'd like to upload to. Later, you can always find a switch lab link on the left navigation. And so if you're in the right lab, we confirm by clicking next. And so you can see it says we've done the check lab step. Next, we're in the upload data area. So in order to upload your data, you need to prepare your file. And so it says datasets must be CSV files. You can convert a spreadsheet Excel file to CSV using Excel and save as CSV. I'll demonstrate that real quick. So I have a data set in Excel. You can see it has a worksheet here. And so we click Save As. And so make sure you choose file format, comma separate values.csv. And then we can give it a name, demo June 25, and click Save. And so make sure that you are on the correct worksheet that you want to save. If you have more than one worksheet, it's only going to save the worksheet that you're on. And so now we have a CSV file. We can come back here. And so here's a reminder, this will convert only the first spreadsheet of your Excel file. And so now we're ready to upload our file. So we click Select CSV, and we click Select File. And this will take you to a file browser for you to locate the file that you want to upload. And so we'll use my demo June.csv, click Open. And so this shows you the selected file for uploading. At this stage, it will do some file validation to make sure that you have a valid file. If you had a file that you did not just convert from Excel, you might have edited something. Maybe there was an extra header field, a missing column. Maybe you saved an Excel file or you have a text file. It'll do some basic validation to make sure that you have uploaded a file that is acceptable by the system. And if it's good, you'll get a green checkbox here. And so now we can move on and enter our dataset name. So demo dataset June 25. Give it a description. Uploading a demo dataset. And we click preview. And so now you can see the file that you want to upload. Make sure that it looks okay. You can scroll over if there are more than too many fields. You can page through different pages of data to just make sure that you have the right file. And before you submit, you need to select a subject field. How do you choose a subject? Click on the subject checkbox for one of your dataset columns to be the subject field of your dataset. So we're going to click this one. Got a green check mark. We can go on. And so we click upload. So here's a note about data dictionaries and CDs. So having a data dictionary is critical to improve the interoperability of a data set to comply with fair data principles. We're also developing the ODC common data elements based on the data dictionaries for data sets uploaded to the ODC side. We highly encourage you to create and upload a data dictionary for your data set. You can upload a data dictionary on the dataset page once the upload is complete. A data dictionary is required to request a DOI for dataset publication. And so we can click continue submitting. And so now your upload is complete. And once again, it's just a reminder about the data dictionaries. And so we can go to our data set. And once again, another reminder about the data dictionaries and methodology files. You can go and upload them now, or you can close this window and come back to it later. So as you can see, we have this message, data and upload queue, and also we're still processing your data set. So the file has been uploaded to the server, but it hasn't been processed yet. So please check back in a few minutes. We can reload the page. Still not ready. It should take maybe a minute or two or more, depending on the size of your data set. But you can see here a preview of the column names. Try to reload. Nope, still not ready. Here's the button to upload a data dictionary. Here's a button to update the data set in case you want to add or remove a column or completely replace your data. This button is to download the CSV that we uploaded. This would be to download a data dictionary methodology file. Click reload. And our data is ready. And you can see the message is gone. And now the data is here. You can scroll through the different pages, and that's it. And this concludes the upload of a data set.